Hi, this video is to show how to export your Premiere project. And so what we'll do is we'll first go to our file. We will then go to export in media. And how I have been trained to export is I leave it at this H.264. I will always make sure that I change the output name. That's where it's going to be saved to. And so right now we're working on a Christmas concert, and I want it to go into my desktop, into my digital media, wherever you want it to go. Just make sure that you have your files organized, and then that's where it's going to. Go ahead and rename it also. So on this one, this is our Spanish version of our Christmas concert. So I'm going to hit save, and now it should be heading in that direction so I can go find it. The next thing is on video. I'm going to go to my basic video settings. I'm scrolling down with my scroll bar. I always make sure that render at maximum depth. Rendering just means that it's pushing all these clips together into one big file. And then I'm going to scroll down, and it is a little bit further down here where it'll have video settings and bitrate settings, excuse me. And so on this one, I always change the VBR to 2 pass. Again, that's going to render it 2 times. Hopefully the resolution is going to be great for you. That's all I do on the video tab. I click use maximum render quality here too. I hope that makes a difference. And then I'm going to hit export. And then as it's rendering, again, it's putting all those clips, all the audio, any transitions, everything is now being encoded or rendered together. So this takes a little bit of time. And then I should be able to go to my file, to my file explorer, go into where I had just shown you just a second ago in my digital media, into my music department for my file, went to day 1, and then it will appear here for me to go ahead and upload it to YouTube, give it to somebody through Google Drive if they're looking for a rough draft or a final edit of your exported file. So I hope this information has been educational for you. Thank you.